Near the little town of Paulding in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, there is what some refer to as the mysterious phenomenon of the Paulding light. After viewing through a telescope, I am convinced it is really explainable as highway traffic viewed from a distance of 3 or 4 miles. It was fun to be there with this group of believers in the mystery.
Does it look like a double light?
He's got service.
He's going to call me.
When did they first notice this?
I don't remember.
1800.
Really?
Yeah.
It'll probably
Been here
come
since.
closer later.
Wow.
It'll before those wires, those poles.
Before the poles were there.
Well, they really
This used
screwed
to
it
be-
up by putting those poles
You
there.
were saying this used to be an old railroad track.
There it is
There
again.
it is again.
Now, is that a road? Okay.
So cool. It's just staying in that same spot.
Yeah, that's how it was yesterday, or when was it, Wednesday, I guess. Right there.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's just a few
Kind
all
of
the time.
dipped back, but
Yeah, I can see with my naked eye.
Wow. 'Cause that's right about there. Right here.
So this is in the railroad track?
It used to be a railroad track, and apparently it used to be a highway at one. I mean, it had to have been a long time ago because, I mean, I don't think this thing was ever paved.
how could they have a railroad track in the house?
And,
Well, yeah, that one guy had his cell phone and it showed up on it.
I wonder what he's got.
He had your phone. That's your
Yeah.
phone. Samsung?
A Walkman.
Walkman?
If you
But what
Just
So-
these big rocks, and they
Yeah, we have
put
to walk
mortar
down.
around them. You know, it's all the rock mortar kind of a thing. And then over this way, like if the house is here, over this way here, it must have been like another, I don't know, maybe servants' quarters or something, because that burned too. And right here where this place is, the chimney is there, there's like, I don't know, maybe this much of like moss and grass and whatever.
Yeah.
And you dig through there, and we found these old nails and...
We got a ton of them.
Here, let's
Yeah, let's show 'em. We'll have you all hold the brick.
What are you going to do with them?
And so I call him up and I'm like, or I text him first, I'm like,
This picture, help, look.
Yeah.
You
and then he
look
calls
at it,
me
and
and he's
there's
like,
stairway
where
right
are you? I'm
here,
like,
and then around this
Yeah.
wall,
Main
they
roads
have
is one
these
thing, but when you start going off those little
archways,
trails, you don't know which
and
one's which.
Oh,
they do,
yeah.
like where the basement
Yeah.
would be, so we're not sure what these archways were for.
these chimneys are like huge.
Wow, that is really
They're
I hope you get that.
They've got to
It's
be
right on two. Okay.
And they were
really neat.
I knew they were brick.
We might be looking at two different things.
Yeah, I mean, so far it could be
She does. That'd be cool. I don't know what it is.
Are there actual pictures of Yeah, well, that's I said.
pictures on YouTube.
Use your best eye, Jane. Tail lights.
Now I'm second guessing myself. I can't remember if I saw it closer or